The Armed Forces of Donetsk People Republic shows footage of powerful airstrike on enemy positions near the AKHZ plant, Avdiivka. A powerful explosion completely destroyed one of the positions of the Armed Forces of Ukraine on the dump of the AKHZ. The attack was recorded by reconnaissance unit in front line. Video was published on May 5. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said Russian forces destroy bridge near Artyomovsk, Bakhmut, Donetsk Republic, which Ukrainian forces had been using to move supplies and reserves into city. Russian forces destroy up to 300 Ukrainian soldiers and foreign mercenaries, 7 vehicles, Grad multiple rocket launcher and AKHZ self-propelled howitzer in DPR. Up to 95 Ukrainian troops, 8 vehicles, AKHZ self-propelled howitzer and US-supplied M777 artillery piece destroyed in Kupiansk direction, East Ukraine. Russian troops destroy over 90 Ukrainian soldiers, 6 vehicles and US-supplied M777 howitzer in South Donetsk and Zaporizhzhia regions. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 107 artillery units of the AFU at their firing positions, manpower and military hardware at 123 areas. 2 AFU Su-25 aircraft have been destroyed by air defense close to Zolotaya Balka and Tyaginka, Kherson region. Also, 7 HIMARS multiple launch rocket system projectiles have been also intercepted. Russia Air Defense Forces have also intercepted 14 unmanned aerial vehicles close to Tokarev, Olshana, Kharkov region, Troitskoye, Lugansk People's Republic, Ivanovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Lesnoy and Malaya Belozyorka, Zaporizhzhia region. In total, 418 airplanes, 230 helicopters, 3,963 unmanned aerial vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems, 8,992 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,096 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,739 field artillery guns and mortars, as well as 9,986 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed since the beginning of the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the Armed Forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 650 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 193,770 servicemen during the full-scale aggression. Ukraine Army also shows footage of destroying Kremlin soldiers in several regions. Kiev counter-offensive begins. According to unclassified reports, Ukraine counter-offensive in Zaporizhzhia region under Russia control is continuing. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 436 days. There are still no peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya! Tribun.